before 14th of January. Father never had the same able. Oh my God! I just realized that Father not school from the same St. John. Never can try to swear. And I call Father Chidolue. Father Chidolue name me fake miracle, fake priest. Not wine, but I name me preaching. My family, my family, my cousin, and I now with the only occultic person in my family. Now there's good, so just not for we're going to go near cinema before me expire. I'll try to use your occultic is white to come and many people now get bended down. Man, they pass hack and it's not very buy was higher sometimes Nanda they will on Hana maybe seniority. God go ditch you go find me not all of them. Not all of them. When they if only our people we got to know. It's all about business. Okay, if I have a message for our people, my experience when I was 17 years and all through to 2026 January. Do come and do fully loaded. Do come and everything. Oh, the stage in the management now this have this guy up so good because they are all Mandi bishops, Mandi that age or go preach for a very long period of time are the people that are most uncomfortable because na best no kuya and how mama don't like who ever knew some even in my own family to go on a mission. You want a mission sick way for justice I walk. When you also make justice I walk. It doesn't a man able me. I won't be part of it. I rather not even pass through. That's my life. So check him as 1997. You check him in 2026. The same thing. Father, if I did list, each of them 30,000. You do 100,000, they go fuel or 30,000. But I call everything about 500 something thousand. You see my family. Father, which I look who my 5 years you know, but so I have the family. That's a family issue. You are used to a baby that see that baby will do. I want to answer. My idea. I have the voice note and all. In your idea, figure rice, G or cocoa. When see one name was a family was from see, Father they will list if he like I said, on after 518,000 before baby all people balance. Who has the man of Father's house? Not just that baby organize. It's okay. That means Father don't even receipt. Number one, 518,000. Number two, no, I want more miracle. Why you remember the miracle? Why you answer with $4 because I will find over. So, no in date. And also, only miracle and the boy may expire. Not the transactional. About you know, 518,000 before coming. Touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. Actually, government and the church both didn't win. Love me and protect me, I protect you. Yes. Well, have you asked yourself why you go to Bible okay? Okay. What do you want? Where are you doing for? Okay. Let me say this to camera. Every community, from councillor, we don't have president. But anyway, I don't want. It doesn't need to take the person to any shrine. The community now they are being going yourself. We are back. We are and I would that's I cannot count the number of sons. Not only councillor, not only state house, chairman, whatever, federal house. Now, no, also the No ya alụlụ obodo ọlụ wute ego ha mana ọ ya alụkwa ụlụ mba kena bụ ma izu obodo ata esi nakọta isi na azụ anya ṅụrụ azụ nwe ile ṅụọ mmiri na ọ ya alụ ọlụ mana ọ ya alụ ụlụ mana ife ọ na-ekwe nkwa na-akwado ọkpa na ana Igbo ana be nna ya n'obodo a na-enye ọlụ a n'ụlụ aga akarị nata ọlụ okwucha ya site ọrịa ndị Igbo mee ife a 4 years, only 4 years, you will not believe what you say. Egunda na ebupo. Egunde politicians in ebupo. So it becomes a kind of it is about dialogue na bazaar. Now we know dialogue. Iman is to go gay.
Oh, dialogue, yes.
After 4 years, about dialogue. That is what is going on, and nobody saying anything. Makando kali dey push against it. Abadi hani
na settlements.
On that water now, he compares himself to those people are political leaders. I will touch not my anointed and do my prophet. No, before you I will do not judge. Then you just present Doka, also pray for your leaders. I work in Nigeria on the Kewu. Nah, when you're digging in, when you're better. Funny now, if I the thing is, Ubosobuna will identify that our problem is the religion, not government. Not religion. Because religion, find one I can do. By the time we will now, the other time, I'm a Corpus Christi. The Catholic Church, if you can say, Jesus is busy. And any corner I find Jesus is busy. The whole street, this is only one denomination. Only one Catholic Church. What if Anglican, Methodist, Presbyterian, Christ Embassy, Redeemed, Mando Menana, Mando, only one put in a line. I do government house.
Protest, my brother.
I do government house.
Yes.
And the family man just steady power. All Kuya in Nigeria 6 months. But why can't they come out? Come on, let me tell you something. Our people, before you would meet and all fear. Now, fear of hell. Fear of hell. That is not in existence. How church made us to believe. And then fear of government. Do you know, about 3 years equals something. I was cyberbullying.
Yes.
Now, what I want to tell you is that both myself, all of us here, people that are viewing me, we are all guilty of what is happening, because anything we allow to be, it becomes tradition. How you will audit and all fear of what will happen to me.
KCM and on our
a source of tax and then on our family no so whatever and Ozulu, it was you let alone no we give it to my federal oil and all that.
Okay, let me help you small. The life alone do from what you were where we no illegal payment or the Punozo, Mandabo, Mandi police, Mandi soldier, Mandi law safety. Illegal payment or the metropolitan on the Chanduenu is about 15,000 plus. Then count your over moto ne Galano. Ade Kuzego and the Nukumoto Nana. Each custom Nana Nukumoto of Nanaga. Okay. Man, Makego ne Moton Bala on the Chatenu spend in a day. Now, Kedi Hope and Obuna of engineer Potalan and Nigeria, so not the government in here alone. All rows of from on the Chatenu who can porthole, which is street light. They're going to call a cost. Then Kanyapa each driver of an agape corner for 1,000 naira for 20 years or 10 years to get that money back. It will be for 3 years. Any good on the church today, double lane, mighty load with the street light.
Sure.
And that 1,000 naira is enough for that engineer. Who will be the government?
We're against it.
Manana, who got the same tax illegal. By instead to police
without anything coming out of it.
Anything coming out of it.
Any police, when police before, one of the DPOs, or the Botolo, can now because no issue. Basically, about your on behalf of the person. Guess what? Police good, DPO, same. Now, over go no only return.
The man was Syrian because in your man, you're willing to return. So, Ndi
Igbo tara atụmanya mahụ. You shake him with that tree suffering and smiling, and I'm not young. Okay, we go 30 years old, but it has become a tradition.
Okay.
We are.
Anyị tọrọ atọ nsogbu anyị na-enwe bụ nsogbu anyị gaba anyị nọla na edosiworo onwe anyị ma bikos onye ọbụla na-akpọ onwe ka gasị na enwere onye ịbụ gịnwa bụ mmadụ gịnwa bụ onye ga-emezu ụwa gịnwa bụ onye ga-eme ka ba anyị dị mma enwere onye ọzọ ọ kpọrọ ọmụ na gị ka ọ kpọrọ nna niile na-achị anyị kịta na like Obasanjo and former president bụ Buhari. All those people, most of them 27 years 25 years before they take power. Maybe those
29.
Now, that do you believe now most of us 40 years a dey ekwu okwu n'obodo. Kedu mgbe ichezi na ị ga-akpa ike? Kedu mgbe ichezi na ị ga-ejidozi obodo a? Now, old ndị kalụ nka oyibo na-enyezi retirement ka ị na-ene anya na ọha nwa ga-edozi obodo a. Ị mana normally na onye lụgide ọrụ oyibo dị 60 years achaghị ala ma retirement. Mana taata onye 90 years na-achị mụ na gị. Anya dị comfortable, dị relax, na-enwe aṅụrị, na-atụ anya ihe ọma ga-eme. Kedu ihe ọma ga-eme? Onye mana na age ọ nọ na ya bụ age your own father, and your own father adịghị enwezi contribution na meeting.
The magic we are looking for. The magic we are looking for is in our own hands. Full stop.
Anyị nwa ga-emela onwe anyị ya.
2006 to how many years?
Is the 20 years?
2006 to
20 years.
My experience in London.
Okay.
20 years. I'm up to market. Let's go. Now 7 sisters. Moto well Suonyoji. Yeah, boss. I suspect no one see that Nigeria or any of these West Africa. Because the man in London he put new unique pass and actually cross. Every moto I see a guy in Nigeria. Nyande Nigeria na London opposite.
Okay, yeah.
So we all know Makaka kita so we just straight cross. You never able to in Nigeria or West Africa. Boss, man boss ask him go melu. So he was just stepping out of that supermarket, not up ahead of us, me and my friend. No way that boss because break was now
moto dem man moto dendo.
So if you all was the break now the guy now that at 2006 20
years back.
My brother boss I can know well
na Chineke anya na-ekwu bụ n'ụwa na ndọ mụ na gị ga-eme.
And in fact, now I even realized why I packed my bag. My friends, my boys, they built my house, and they been at Coventry. I can count 5 now when they use the red passport now. And when I bought this, visa Ganji, when I pack him up, not Nigeria. Be a Lagos, not a name. I'm beginning to realize why. Now, that's 20 years ago. Oh, see that I could to this guy. Under 45 seconds, not of a minute. Or the guy has seen a motor in the police na has to say, clean white BMW, about 6 master, that side and that side. Do you have to keep it? Not to go high because no one now they bastard was supposed to have block for you block side. Siren Bruna, I was up there at an ambulance. If I now talk about in less than 2 minutes, siren tore down, bam. Ambulance. Emege special for getting. Now never for this guy, you know. I hope you follow kind of treat you. Now never kind of put all these things was happening so far. About 3-4 minutes. Now do you know the shocker? Now about anywhere. Just no can come anywhere. Now imagine shock is more. Look at that do helicopter. I did the H just for emergency like that. Ambulance as well. Turn the TT local tie you local now. Only 7 minutes, my brother. Well, because you motor approval stand by here. If you send a helicopter, I don't know short because they are general hospital, just like our teaching hospital, all those guys. And then we hang every helicopter for emergency. Now, this guy, Tina helicopter. Tape on the police to come you know. Because everything I just said now happened in less than 8 minutes. Today, na ga social media for maybe Malia when one accident. We can't work anyone. Oh, mama, now why? We are used to only way I can never see any woman. No value of life. I will stop here because I don't feel emotional. Akachaam, no.